Hello, today I talk you about how the team worked through the process to tackle this assignment. Uh, Talking about the process, this is what we did, high level. We started from an initial idea we discussed in class, and then we asked feedback to potential users. With this feedback, we adjusted the idea and created a business model. Then we delivered an MVP, and asking again for feedback to potential users, and then we validated the idea at the end. The initial idea was essentially a platform where retired people could offer their time, helping other people with some home service essentially, such as babysitting, training, and home cleaning. And here the reason why we choose this idea was we identified a problem that is pretty hard to find these kind of services, and then also on the other side, retired people want to use the available time somehow. And so we created this, we imagined this idea leveraging a platform business model where we can match demand and offer. So this basically were our users, and so we divided two segments: doers, who were the retired people offering services, and users, everybody else who want to use these services. How we did the first evaluation: we created a set of questions for doers and users, and we had 6 interviews and with potential doers or users, and then together with the team we brainstormed the feedback, we reviewed the feedback and identified what we wanted to change to the initial model. And actually with this feedback we changed substantially the initial idea, because we decided to extend, to not focus only on retired people as doers, but to extend this possibility to everybody. And this was a feedback that came from the interviews we had. With this, we created a business model that basically essentially has 2 customer segments: doers, who are people willing to provide some service, and users, who are people who are willing to use this service and pay for them. In terms of customer relationship, I think the main focus we identified among the other was the build a customer service focus on personal assistance. It is very important since we want to build a community. Channels are different, coming to from the app to the word of mouth and social media. And very important, the value proposition we identified for this the customer segments are for doers, new income generation, possibility to work on flexible schedule, and easy to get new customers, and for users, lower cost and easy transactions, again lower cost for search effort, and ability to leverage transparent ratings to build trust in the community. Key activities and key resources are mainly the web app and the community creation, and how we leverage algorithms and brand. As key partners, we identified many people. First of all, doers, who are essentially for this business model, but also other partners such as investors or agencies and developers who can help us to set up and move forward with this business model. A cost structure is mainly divided by employees payout and operational and administrational cost. And main revenue stream is transaction fee. We're going to ask fees for the service we provide, and but also we have 2 minor revenue streams that are third parties promotion and leverage customer data we collect for marketing research. So after defining a business model, we identified a couple of hypotheses that we validated through some survey and also through a video. explaining our MVP and asking for feedback from the users. To do that, basically, we created this video for a specific market, Italy, since our users are mainly from Italy, and a specific use case that is apartment cleaning. And here I want to show you this MVP, what we did. So basically, we imagined this tool. The name is Jarvis, and here I show you this use case from a mobile application. So after registering with username and password, you just need to tell Jarvis where you are, what you're interested in, and when, and select the services you want. And then Jarvis will show you the best doers with the certified rates, and you just need to select the one you want. And at the end, having like a clear picture of what you're gonna spend and the service fee, and you can pay directly with one touch from the app. So it's very easy and straightforward. And the good thing is that we shared this video for the last part of the validation. We shared this video with same and different people we used in the first step for the questionnaire, and we received many comments and feedback that we reviewed with the team to come to some conclusion at the end. And what we saw from this feedback, basically, that there was real interest in this model, the adjusted model, and we got valuable feedback in the comments, also for future evaluation, future iterations, such as paying attention on the payment in advance, or how to double check the competencies and the skills of the doers. So I would say that it's this was very useful, and again, if from one side we found that this model has really interested in people, we see also that can be in the next future iteration, this can improve definitely. That's all. Thank you from all the team, and attached to this video you can find also the interviews we had. Thank you. Bye.